Astro Excel for the last week of August, the 24th to the 31st. Here's a look back at last week's pattern. Was expecting it to be pretty bullish, but instead it was mostly bearish. We followed the line down to here, and then we had this strong push up on the green line. Was looking for a better bullish move than what we got. Anyhow, then the pattern followed to the downside to the end of the week. Key points on the blue line spike peaks. You're often going to get these pivots to come in. Like here at this low, we had a blue line low. We had a market high on the 60-minute chart. The next blue line spike to this high side was a low. The next spike here was a low. This one was close to the 10 line, caught this low here. This blue line peak was a high in the market right here. The next spike peak was a low. At this point in time, the spike high was a market low. And then we had two pushes here. One was a minor high, and this one was one bar off the low right there. And then the last one for the week was right here, which was the high of the day on Friday. Moving to next week, green line is low, and then we're going to start moving upward. But we're going to be in neutral to slightly bullish territory until we get to Wednesday, late Wednesday, where we get above the plus 10 line, and then we get a bullish move up late into the week through Thursday and Friday. You can see the spike peaks that we have here. We've got the 1150 on Monday. Tuesday, we've got 11:30 a.m. We've got another double bottom setting up at 1915 and 2300. On Tuesday, on Wednesday, we've got this 3 a.m. spike high. This is a little bit noisy here, so I'm going to leave that particular point alone. We get a fairly clean blue line, green line spike together here at 16:30 Wednesday. Then we've got that bottoming, blue line bottoming there right at midnight on Thursday. A peak here at 9 and 9:45, and then moving into Friday, we've got this 5:15 and 6:10 double bottom here, and then one spike here at about 10:30, 10:40 Friday morning, and that's it for the week.